Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, March 11th. The sky's cleared. It's cold this morning, but we start to warm up later today. And the weather for the weekend looks great. Let's check the Skycam images around the network early this morning, a little before 5 o'clock. That's the Birmingham Skycam. The clearing process overnight was slow, but the sky did clear, and many spots are near freezing. Mostly mid-30s for the Birmingham Metro at this point. Kind of work our way south. There's a look at the Clanton Skycam down in Chilton County. And at Gulf Shores, hey, place will be packed down there next week. It's spring break for a lot of people as the spring break crowds begin to show up. And the weather looks pretty good, as you'll see here in just a little bit for next week. There's a look at the trough that's over the east, and that is a very deep trough responsible for the cold air. Pretty good-looking storm. Look at the comma-shaped cloud coming over the northern states up there, producing almost blizzard conditions for parts of North Dakota, as you'll see. But that stays well to the north of us. And there's a look at our numbers. Haleyville sitting at 31, Cullman 33, Tuscaloosa 33, the Shelby County Airport 33. And those are at 4 o'clock. Those are 4 a.m. observations. And most all of those cities will see a freeze. Elsewhere, the clouds have lingered much of the evening. Anniston's still sitting at 40 because of the cloud cover there. And like we talked about yesterday, the numbers this morning would depend pretty much exclusively on clouds. But we'll start to warm up today as the clouds are on the way out. Now, there's our watch warning map. And look at the blizzard warning over parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. Still flash flood watches over New England. And what you don't see are the tsunami warnings for the Pacific coast. Goodness gracious. An 8.9 quake in Japan as I do this update, and just had a 4.5 quake in Hawaii. So the geological activity is amazing this morning. And again, of course, all the news outlets will have the tales on that. We'll check the QPF chart. And you can see that this is valid, by the way, through Tuesday evening, and suggesting maybe some light rain early next week. Not a big deal, as you'll see. Certainly no severe weather, no heavy rain. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the 06C run at noon today. There's the trough to the east, northwest flow aloft. The sky will be sunny, and we start to warm up. Most spots will likely hit the mid to upper 50s, both the GFS, the NAM printing 57. Tomorrow, beautiful day to start the weekend. How about low 70s? And quite frankly, Sunday will be very similar. We'll call it partly sunny on Sunday. Sunday, not quite as sunny as Saturday. We got some rain to the north, but again, we stay dry. Nice day. All right, Monday on the GFS. A little energy coming in to the north of here. And again, the GFS is trying to show a little light rain breaking out over the state Monday afternoon, back off to the west, nothing heavy. And on Tuesday, it's gone. It's off to the east. We'll check the European. This is Monday evening at 6 o'clock. It's a little more aggressive with the rain, but still, that's not all that heavy, suggesting maybe a quarter inch. And then Tuesday, it's gone. So model clarity is much better. We'll mention a chance of showers Monday afternoon, Monday night, nothing heavy, nothing severe. And then Tuesday, we go dry, and no cold air. We'll be mild, highs in the low 70s. Wednesday of next week looks good, partly sunny. The GFS is printing 73. And the same thing on Thursday, low to mid 70s. We'll stay dry. And of course, this is spring break week for a lot of people. And again, you can pick out your destination on these maps and see how you're doing. But much of the deep south looks to be in great shape, including the Gulf Coast. And Friday, look at the ridge. It's a week from today, March 18th. Nice warm ridge. You know, for a while we had kind of a wet look. Well, that's gone. Now, a little surface moisture will creep in here to the west, and we might mention some risk of a shower, but again, no big deal. So the bottom line for next week, mild all week long. Maybe a shower late Monday or Monday night. Maybe a shower at the end of the week on Friday, but no severe storms, no heavy rain. And then the following day, Saturday the 19th, again, enough moisture maybe for a few showers, but again, I don't think it'll be anything widespread. We'll go out there at the end of the forecast on March 26th. Got a fairly fast flow here across the deep south, but again, the primary storm systems want to develop well to the west and north with these trailing fronts. And again, on this graphic, we see no evidence of any super-duper cold air outbreaks or, quite frankly, any major severe weather outbreaks. But, that will probably change. This is March, after all. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.